What's going on, guys? It's Elementary Mitch, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper strip bobblehead. So let's take a look. Okay, for supplies, you're going to need glue stick, a pencil, doesn't need to be sharpened, strips. You're going to need 5 paper strips. This is about 2 inches by 6 inches. Googly eyes are optional, and markers are optional, but you know, it's up to you how you want the face to look. All right, let's go to it. Okay, the first strip is just going to be the base, so just place it right in front of you. Okay, go ahead and grab the second strip, and we're going to just be gluing the edges, left and right edge. Have it look something like that. Okay, when you're ready to put this down, this is going to be the legs. I don't want to go to the edge. I'm going to come right about here and I'm going to press this down. Okay, so the right side is pressed down, and now I'm going to just lift this up to make the legs. It's going to look like a little hill. Okay, I'm going to press the left side down here, and it should look like this. Little bump right here. This is going to be the legs. Now let's go to the next strip. On this next strip, we're just going to be gluing one side, and we're going to basically make a loop or a cylinder. And when you're done, it should look like this. I didn't overlap it too much. This is going to be the body, and I don't want to be too small. I might have overlapped it maybe 1/4 of an inch, just enough to get this thing to stick. Okay, now we're going to glue. It doesn't matter. You can glue the cylinder or you can glue the legs, and we're going to put this on top. And it should look like that when you're done. Have the cylinder be facing you like that. Now grab your next strip, grab the pencil, and we're going to be rolling. It's kind of hard to do this with my camera here. But we're going to take this pencil, grab the bottom edge of your strip. Why am I making this so hard? I don't know. And we're going to just be rolling. Roll it really tight until you get to the middle of the strip. Okay, once you get to the middle, just pull the pencil out. And we have this curl. I tell my students it should look like a J. So if it's really, really curled, try to just take it and unfold it. It should look like a J. Now what we're going to do is do the same thing to the other side. We're going to roll it, stop at the middle, take our pencil out. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This will be the arms of our bobblehead. And gravity will pull these down. So if it's really, really curled, that's okay. We do want to stick the head here, so these can't be too curled. But have it be like this. And now we're going to glue it right onto the body right there. Okay, once it's glued on here, it should look like that. And like I said, gravity is going to take over and start to pull these down. But we will be sticking the head right here, so we have to have enough room. So right now, your bobblehead should look like that. Okay, now go ahead and grab your last strip, and we're going to make this into a cylinder, just like we did the body. Okay, so here we have our cylinder head. And now is where you would bring in the googly eyes, if you have markers. And what's really cool is you can have a theme if you want to. You know, if you have a summer theme, this could be, you know, right now is the World Cup. This could be a soccer player. If you're having a summer theme, it could be a sea creature. It's completely up to you. But now let's go ahead. I'm going to use the googly eyes and some markers to decorate this head. Okay, so my bobblehead head is done. Got some hair, some eyebrows, the googly eyes. And, you know, feel free to be creative. You know, if you want to do yarn for hair, you know, whatever else you can think of, here's where being creative is going to be really fun. And now we're going to attach this head, right on in between the arms like that. So let's go ahead and get the glue. All right, everybody, there it is. And a few side notes just to be careful. With your students, just tell them to be very patient with glue. I had a little funny thing with my students. I said, you know, when you're holding it together, say the Pledge of Allegiance as you're holding it, and once you're done, you can let go. Because they think that glue is magic and, you know, 1 second and it should stick. You know, depending on what kind of glue you're using, glue stick, it's not going to stick very easily, especially with the googly eyes here. And then a second thing is just have them, you know, just know that if it's leaning, you know, the nice thing about this cardstock. Oh, by the way, this is cardstock, if you're wondering. You can do this with regular paper, but I think cardstock is better. And then here is your bobblehead, how it can kind of move back and forth. My students love this. I have kindergarten all the way up to 5th grade. Every grade seemed to really love this project. So there is the cardstock 5-strip bobblehead. I hope you guys enjoy.